Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start immediately by preparing an icon file and choosing the item you'll alter. Make sure you have an ICO or a resource DLL available because Windows expects that format. Next, create a shortcut for any regular file you want to rebrand. You cannot directly swap icons on most files without a shortcut. Once done, select the shortcut or target folder in File Explorer and keep it selected. This gets you ready for the actual properties dialog where the change happens. You now perform the core steps to swap the icon. Right-click the shortcut or folder and open Properties, then go to the Shortcut or Customize tab and click Change Icon. Use Browse to locate your ICO file or a DLL that holds icons and pick the image you want. Press OK to confirm the selection, then apply so Windows records the change. Make sure to review the small preview. If it looks right, close the dialog. If not, pick a different icon and repeat quickly. Finish by ensuring the new icon appears. Refresh the desktop or restart Windows Explorer to force a redraw. If the icon stubbornly stays the old image, rebuild the icon cache by closing Explorer, deleting icon cache. DB from your user app data oming older, and restarting Explorer or the PC. Also note that changing icons for a file type across the system requires editing type associations or using a resource tool, so proceed cautiously. If something goes wrong,
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.